Alright, hi everyone. Today is your 7th Java tutorial. To hammer home some of the topics that we talked about last week via operators, I'm going to be going through 2 examples today, and they're just exercises that I put together, so let's get started. So the first one here, we're talking about arithmetic operators. So if you can see, there's the addition sign used in this example. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be going through and figuring out what this example is exactly telling me in plain English. So basically this says int sum1 equals 100 plus 50. So that means that sum1 would equal 150 on this line. Then what the next line is telling me is sum2 equals sum1 plus 250. So sum2 equals 150 plus 250, and that's because we took 150 from sum 1 equaling sum 1 in the first line, so which makes this 400. On the next line here we have sum 3 equals sum 2 plus sum 2, so sum 3 equals 400 plus 400 because we're taking sum 2 and multiplying it by 2, or we're adding it together, being 400, which equals 800. And when we print this out, we're going to see that sum 3 equals 800 on the line below. And you can see that it equals 800. So hopefully you understand from this example what an arithmetic operator does. So in this case, we use the addition sign to add two numbers together. We used it to also add a number and a variable, and we also added it, and we also used it to add two variables together to make the third variable equal, again, two variables. We were then able to print out the last variable on the screen, but you could do this with any of the three varieties. So again, you can add two numbers together, you can add a variable and numbers together, and you can add two variables together. Now moving over to assignment operators. So two examples here. We have int equals 10, and then we have a plus plus x. So what does this mean? So x equals 10. So that just means x equals 10. On this next line here, we have plus plus x. So plus plus is an example of you incrementing it by 1. So this would be x equals 10 plus 1. So when we print this out, you should see that it equals 11. And then down here for y equals 10 on this line, we have y equals 10. This one is y equals y plus 5. So again, this would be y equals y plus 5. Then if we take y from the first line and substitute it in, we have 10 plus 5, which equals 15. So we should see an 11 and a 15 printout on the line below. And there you have it, 11 and 15. I hope this explained to you a little bit further as what arithmetic and assignment operators do. In the next couple of videos, we'll also be going over comparison and logical operators. We just have to go over a few other topics before we can do that, but those are coming up. So see you in the next couple videos.